What's up, everybody? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're talking about Goldilocks offers. What does this mean? Okay, everyone's familiar with the Goldilocks principle, the Goldilocks story, and today I want to tell you a couple of stories in regards to how the Goldilocks principle can affect and can be highly utilized for massive success with your offers and your marketing in business. Okay. So welcome, welcome. If you're new here, I'm FB Frelin. I'm very excited to meet you. My husband and I, we specialize in a couple of different things. One, software and tech, systems and automation for marketing, as well as, really killer offer creation. And our background is in quantum healing and subconscious mind work. And so all of that to say that there's been a couple of big lessons in our business, and there's definitely been lessons in our clients' businesses in regards to this Goldilocks principle. Is it too soft? Is it too hard? Is it just right? Is it too hot? Is it too cold? Is it just right? I want to talk to you about the timing in the market, the blue ocean principle, the idea of, when you should get into a certain niche or a certain area of business, why or why not why you would or wouldn't want to do that at certain times. And I want to give you some things that are going to help you get a rapid result today, as always. Okay. So if you're tuning in, say hello, drop a comment below. Let me know how you're doing. Let's get into it. So how this idea came about for me was the idea of us getting into software and tech here in 2022, starting, I guess, mid 2021, and what that means in the marketplace right now. And it really got me thinking about the journey that we've been through that led us to this place. And so I'd love for you to gain value in this by really thinking about what you're currently doing right now. I want you to think about how many people are doing that same thing right now. It doesn't mean it's a bad thing. And I want you to think about how abstract or obscure the terminology that you use to describe your offer or to market your offer is. I just want you to rank yourself. Are you in an industry where a lot of people do what you do? Are you in an industry where nobody knows what the heck you're talking about? Or what level, what range, where do you fall there, right? Because here's a couple stories for you. We got into the supplement industry in 2015. Actually, it's how my husband and I met. And that was pretty saturated. Okay. I guess it's more saturated now, but if you think about it, supplements have been around forever. And I personally consumed supplements for probably 20 plus years. And getting into that industry was great. It was challenging, but certain industries are going to be challenging for certain reasons. And so how does your offer or your niche compare to that? If you're a coach, which chances are a lot of you will be, or if you're an agency owner or whatever the nature of your business is, how many people do what you do? Like if I say what you do, does everybody know what I'm talking about? Right? Are you an online business coach? Are you a marketing agency? Are you a fitness coach, a health coach? Like how well known is just simply what you do? On the other side of that, how obscure is it? Because this is the too hard and too soft. These are the too hard and too soft examples, the too hot and the too cold examples. And I'm going to tell you how to hit that Goldilocks principle in your offers and your marketing. I'm going to tell you right here today. So then after I guess around 2018, we shifted into subconscious reprogramming. So we went from super red ocean, oversaturated supplement industry to total such a blue ocean. Nobody's doing it. Very few people. I'm not going to say nobody, but very few people. Super obscure, super abstract, very hard to understand. Nobody knew what the heck we were talking about. So we were starting to market essentially like a mindset wealth consciousness coaching program with a subconscious reprogramming spin, meaning quantum healing, energy work. Nobody knew what we were talking about. So do you see how those are two really good examples of the opposite end of the spectrum? Now, the really cool thing is, our journey then brought us, I'll just tell you a very quick story. We couldn't market the healing program. We just couldn't wrap our brains around what the market's verbiage was for what we were doing. We just couldn't nail it. We hired our first high ticket coaches. It was an awesome experience. We realized how lucrative and amazing high ticket coaching is. We left a $37 offer behind for a $3,800 offer, and the rest is history, up and up and up, many years now. And so then we started coaching other people with pretty obscure offers, right? And we really got good at remessaging and remarketing according to this sweet spot that I want to call the Goldilocks principle here. So an example would be, we take this subconscious reprogramming concept and we started to remarket it into things that people were actually searching for. Well, why were they searching for them? Because they're starting to catch fire in the market. They're starting to catch fire in the market, meaning that when we use the right verbiage, people would come to us and they would already have enough knowledge about our industry that they liked it. They believed that it worked. They had some trust in it. It was recognizable. And then we were able to come in with the most valuable offer in the niche, present it in the right way with a great skill set and a great business model on the back end, meaning like build great relationships. We take great care of people. We started to stack testimonials up and get people great results and interview clients and all those things in place in a Goldilocks offer. Exploded. Okay. Now what we do and what originated this thought. So as I continue, think about where yours is at. Are you hitting that Goldilocks principle? Are you getting into a market right now that's starting to catch fire, starting to take off, highly lucrative, high skill set, highly unlikely to replace you, meaning really, really valuable? And are you getting in at a time where it's about to catch fire, to where only the people doing it really, really well are going to dominate the market, and everyone else that's trying, because it's going to be hot, they're going to try. There's going to be a lot of people trying to do what you're doing. I need you to position yourself and really commit to becoming the best, if not one of the best, so that the rest of the market that's trying to copy what you're doing or do it slightly different, it's just, there's no competition, because you can truly dominate that market, right? And that's what's happening for us right now with software and automation for marketing, tech, building systems. If I was not 100% confident and stirring up tons and tons of proof that we can dominate this niche and continue to dominate this niche, and not only that, that we want to and we're passionate about dominating this niche, then I wouldn't be really activating the Goldilocks principle. I'd more be jumping into a red ocean of a lot of people that could do it better. So I need you to know that you can do it. I need you to be sure that you can and will do it better. And then you're going to activate that Goldilocks principle. I hope this serves you today. I want you to look at, I'm not jumping into something totally saturated. I'm not jumping into something totally obscure. I'm using, okay, just side note here, Alex Hormozy, who I'm a huge fan of, absolutely love. Okay. Guys like this and others are starting to use some of the words that we used to use that couldn't sell, like reprogram your mind and things like this. Back in 2018, we were using those words and nobody knew what we were talking about. And that was our main offer. And that's why it was really hard. But you see, in just a few short years, the market has changed to where that's a really hot term now. And top leaders in the world in all niches are now using those keywords on, say, YouTube and in social media to catch your attention, because now you're familiar with those words. And they know that when they bring you into their world on a slightly different or even completely different offer, they caught your attention with what's hot. Now they know they definitely are the best, and they're going to sell you what you need by catching your attention with whatever's Goldilocks right now. Okay. How can you implement this into your business today? If you want help sorting through it or brainstorming, I'm here for you. If you catch me on Facebook, it's a real easy place to get a hold of me. Send me a DM to, comment on one of my posts that you sent me a DM, so it doesn't go to that weird folder that no one ever sees because we're not friends yet. If you catch this on YouTube, leave a comment. I'm looking forward to hearing more about your business. Last but not least, if you're looking for solutions to put really killer full stack systems in place that pick up where 90% of online entrepreneurs and coaches drop the ball, then pop on over to my other social media networks and hop into our next masterclass. Shoot me a DM, the word masterclass, and I'll get you the details. We give away free software. This time we've got an incredible speaker who has been using one of our softwares to generate really fast money, really big money, really fast, as an addition to his current offer, just one simple piece of software. And we're giving that away in the masterclass. So if that sounds interesting and valuable to you, then hop on over and shoot me a message. All right, I'll catch you guys soon.